Hey everybody, Tom here, and in this video we'll troubleshoot a lawnmower that's showing one of the most alarming symptoms of trouble, smoke. For each problem, we'll provide links in the description to videos that will walk you through the repair process. Problem number 1, the carburetor. The carburetor brings air and fuel together and mixes them in the perfect ratio for combustion. If your carburetor isn't working well, the mixture can be off. Too little fuel and it'll damage your engine. Too much fuel and you'll get a carbon buildup that can lead to black smoke. Remove your carburetor, take it apart, give it a thorough cleaning, and inspect it for signs of damage, replacing it if necessary. Problem number 2, the air filter. If you go too long without cleaning your air filter, it will eventually get plugged up and stop delivering air into the engine. As we now know, not enough air means too much fuel, which can lead to black smoke coming from the exhaust. Inspect the air filter and either clean it or replace it at least once a year. Problem number 3, piston rings. The piston rings form a seal between the piston and the cylinder wall. If these become worn or damaged, oil can leak past the rings and into the combustion chamber, giving off a white smoke. To avoid this, make sure your air and fuel filters are clean. If they're dirty or missing altogether, you'll get dirt in your combustion chamber that will wear away at the piston rings and cylinder wall. And be sure not to neglect the oil in your lawnmower. Bad oil or low oil won't lubricate the engine properly, leading to piston ring and cylinder wear. Frequently check your oil to prevent engine wear or seizing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget we have full repair videos for each of the problems described in this video in the description below, and visit eReplacementParts.com to find the part you need to get your lawnmower up and running again. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos to help you finish the job.